What's up my friends, here I have version 3 of this portable soldering iron. So I'm powering up with a 20 volts power supply. So I get the message and here is the first screen. We can start the heating process or enter configuration. Let's just enter configuration so I can set the sleep time or the preset temperature. Let's just set the preset temperature. As you can see it's 400 degrees. Let's set it to 440 for example, and it will get saved. So now if I exit, I press start, it will start heating to 440 degrees, and you can change this temperature by increasing or decreasing, but this is the real-time temperature. The other one is the preset when you power it on. So that temperature got saved to the EEPROM of the Arduino. So if I power this off and power it on once again, you will see that it's 450 or 480, what was it? 440 degrees, because that got saved into the EEPROM of the Arduino. So you don't have to set it once again. So if I press both buttons, get into sleep mode, once again press configuration, here I can set the sleep time. I will just leave it to off, and then I can go to, no, let me just enter sleep time, and then once again I go to configuration, set preset temperature, and I will set it to 400 degrees when I turn on the iron. So it will get saved, and that's it. So as you can see, it reached 400 degrees. Sometimes it passes 400 degrees, but the PID will control the temperature, so it will stay always at the same temperature. So there you have it. I made 2 of these irons. It has a 3D printed case. The buttons are on the side. You can push it very easy. You can remove the iron tip if you want to change it to make a different size. This is version 2, it has a buzzer and a vibration sensor. So if you leave this iron flat on the table, if you leave it for 1 minute, 2, depends on the settings that you put here, it will enter sleep mode, and it will exit sleep mode if you start moving it. So let me just put this sleep mode to 1 minute. Let me just go into configuration, set sleep time, and let's just put it to 1 minute. Wait a second, got saved, and now I can start the iron and put it flat on the table for 1 minute. So let's just wait and see what it will happen. So the 3D printed case right now is very small because the board is also very small for this third version, and I'm planning to do a Kickstarter on this product, and you will you won't receive only the board, but you will receive all the components and all the videos. So together with the Kickstarter kit, you can learn electronics, because you will learn first how to make the board, how to make the circuit, the schematic, then how to solder the components, both SMD and through-hole components, then how to program in Arduino, how to make the PID algorithm, how to read the temperature from the thermocouple and stuff like that, and to control the buttons, the interruptions for the vibration sensor, and then how to make the case, and you will end up with a portable soldering iron. So please leave a comment below here on Instagram if you are interested in a Kickstarter on this product, because I think this would be very interesting, and with your support I can make all the kits and send to everybody that, oh, there you go. So it enters sleep mode, and now if I move it, as you can see, it exits sleep mode. So that's it. That's how this iron works. This is the version 3 or 3.3 of the firmware, and I will change it by the time and improve it if I can. So keep up, you guys.